At school. Anna goes to her classroom. The teacher says, "Good morning, children." The children say, "Good morning, teacher." Anna sits on a chair. She opens her bag. She takes out a pencil and a book. She writes her name. She writes Anna. The teacher teaches English. Anna listens. She learns new words. She says apple, ball, cat, dog. Then they sing a song. Anna sings with her friends. They clap their hands. They smile. Later, they do math. Anna likes numbers. She counts 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Lunchtime. At 12 o'clock, it is lunchtime. Anna eats a sandwich. She drinks juice. She talks with Sarah. They talk about toys. Sarah has a doll. Anna has a teddy bear. After lunch, they go outside. They play in the playground. They run. They jump. They swing. They slide. Anna laughs. She is very happy. Afternoon lessons. After lunch, Anna goes back to class. They read a story. The story is about a cat. Anna listens. She likes the story. They draw pictures. Anna draws a sun, a house, and a tree. She uses yellow, blue, and green colors. The teacher says, "Very good, Anna." At 3 o'clock, school is over. Anna puts her books in her bag. She says, "Goodbye, teacher." The teacher says, "Goodbye, Anna."